We will now discuss a very important topic of legal recourse available to the organization for the recovery of arrears. First, the action under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, where the action is initiated when the check issued by the customer is dishonored with the reason funds insufficient. However, the one thing is to be kept in mind that this action remains limited to the value of the check. That is the reason why the organization nowadays have started collecting the check without the date and without the amount, so that they can fill up the total amount recoverable so as to close the loan, present it to the bank, have it dishonored, and commence the legal proceedings. The similar action is available for dishonor of instructions. However, it is in a separate act. It is the action is initiated under Section 25 of Payment and Settlement Act. This action is also remain limited to the value of the instructions for monthly payment. Then the organization can also initiate the action based on the content of demand promissory note that they have collected while advancing the loan. They can file a summary suit when the proper mortgage document is not available with the lending institutions. Here, the lending organization is asking the defaulter to repay the entire loan by way of court proceedings. When the proper mortgage is available with the organization, they can also file a mortgage suit, ask the customer to repay the full loan with interest, else the mortgage is enforced by the organization. And the important action is under SARFAESI Act. The full form of this SARFAESI is Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act. This act is now available to housing finance companies and NBFCs also. Earlier it was available only to the banks. In this proceedings, the notice is issued by the authorized officer of the organization without going to the court and ask the customer to make the payment of the entire loan. Else, the authorized officer can take the possession of the property, sell it in the open market, and recover the loan.